are we going to have? Stuffing and gravy. Gravy. It's going to be yummy. And pumpkin pie. Yeah. It's going to be my mom's pumpkin pie. That's Mommy's favorite. That's Mommy's favorite. Yeah. And Daddy's going to have pecan pie that Aunt Gail makes. And they might eat sweet potatoes, but Mommy won't. We don't like sweet potatoes. Don't joke again. I know you're excited. Yeah. And what are you going to eat tomorrow? Huh? What are you going to eat tomorrow? You're going to eat milk. Yeah. That's your favorite. That's your favorite. You're going to be happy with milk? Yes. Say yes. Yes, I will be, Mommy. Yes. Yes, we'll be happy with milk. Can we do our Eskimo kiss? Can we do our Eskimo kiss? Okay, let's do it. There we go. Yeah. That's special, me and you. Yeah, that's our special kiss. Our Eskimo kiss. Do you have anything else to say? No? Anything else? Do you want to see your Captain Calamari again? Oh man, he is really exciting, isn't he? He's like your best friend. Yeah. Say hi, Captain. Say it's almost my bedtime.